Witness my one-day income here in Explosion worldwide. And now watch this. This opportunity is 100% legit. Congratulations, Mom Rain, for your one day. Income worth 10,000 pesos. Amazing. Another one-day income on second day worth 15,000 pesos. This is my DTC account. As we can see, my balance is transparent, worth 5,000 pesos. Why turn into 15,000 pesos? Great, into 25,000 pesos. It is very nice, amazing, into 26,000 pesos. Wow, such a big amount earned part-time through online. Into and then here it comes 28,000 pesos. Woohoo! Finally, it is completed 30,400 pesos one-day income. A highly recommended legit earning opportunity online part-time or full-time.